Have you thought about getting ready to hit it out of the park? In life, are you sitting on the bleachers watching the sport, watching the game, or are you actively getting yourself ready up to bat? The reason I ask this is because so many times, more often than none, pardon me as I'm walking doing this video, we are so preoccupied about the game that we lose focus and realize that we are part of the game. We can either choose, as I mentioned before, to stay on the bleachers sideline, or we can get ready to step up to the plate. I want to ask you, in your stage of life, are you preparing? Are you practicing? Are you taking the proper precautions and looking at the stats and the charts of your competitors to see how you can really make a difference? Are you getting ready to go out in the field? Be active. Be ready to knock it out of the park. I can't tell you how many times I've took my time and just sat in the bleachers. I was ready to dictate and tell people what they should and shouldn't be doing, and not taking action upon myself. I wasn't doing my diligence, getting ready to go on the field, getting ready to step up the plate, or pitch a new idea of creativity into my life. Life is a game. That's why I chose and remind you each and every day that you have a choice every single second to press play. Plan life according to you. The control is in your hands. I don't want to worry about all of the spectators and all of those people on the field, what they think of me, because I know that I'm doing my best, my due diligence to contribute to win the game. Now you say, Andrea, winning the game kind of sounds selfish. I'm asking you, is it selfish to want to win in life for yourself? Win in your health, win in your career, win in your relationships, win in your family, win within yourself. The only competitor there that you have to compete with every single day is the reflection in your mirror. So I want you to come with me. I want you to get out on that field, take action, and get ready to step up to the plate. Because believe you me, when you have a vision that you're going to put yourself in a position ready to win, then you can knock it right out of the park and score a home run. And what I love about the analogy of sports, what I love about the analogy of life being a game, is that we get to press play. We get to be every possible role in the game. We get to be our own coach. We get to be our player. We get to be, the team member. We get to keep stats. We get to choose our own roster of who will be in the field with us playing hard. Because again, in order for you to win, you must begin. And it starts with surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. It starts with connecting yourselves with team players that not only want to win for themselves, but want to pick you up, dust off the dirt, and make you succeed in life. Pardon the noise, but this is a best analogy that I wanted to do, and the only other time I could do this would be under the lights. And let's just say insects in nature are not my thing at twilight, so I'm doing it now. Again, what is your choice? Are you going to sit sideline and watch the game? Are you going to step up to the plate and maximize your efforts? Or are you just going to be in the field waiting for the ball to fall into your hand? analogy, waiting for the other shoe to drop. Remember, you got to be in it to win it, and as soon as you begin, that's when you win. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your certified motivational global voice under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. I look forward to connecting with you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. For someone is listening, someone is watching, and I'm ready with open arms to get ready to join you in this crazy game of life, to press play. Plan life according to you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.